Hi, I'm Professor Dana Ballard. I'm in the Computer Science Department here at Texas, but I'm also the director of what we call the Embodied Cognition Lab. And so what's that about? It's that we really want to know how the brain works. So lots of people have medical problems, they have brain injuries. We'd like to know how does that affect cognition. And one way we can find that out is by instrumenting the body. And in particular, what we are most expert in is eye movements. So it turns out that human eyes are very specially designed. They have a very small area that's characterized as the width of a thumb at arm's length. And in that thumb, the resolution, the spatial resolution of the eye, goes up by a factor of 100 over the periphery. So there's a very small area in your visual field where you see very, very clearly, and so you can imagine the next thing you have to do is move that area from point to point very, very quickly to check out things and get visual information. And it turns out that that's what happens, and eye movements range back and forth at 700 degrees per second, and they hold constant over areas. And so this was found actually originally with reading. People were reading things off a CRT, and the experimenters were able to change all the letters except the 13 under the place where the momentary gaze was. And then it turns out for reading, you move your eyes for over every word. And so as long as the word you were looking at had the right characters, your reading speed was unchanged, and people had no idea that all the other letters were being changed from gaze to gaze. So we have advanced this in the modern era. You wear a display where you have binocular vision, and now you can give people visual tests to do, visual motor tests where they have to pick up things and point at things. And the visual fields, what they're looking at, can be changed because it's virtual environments, not real environments. Then the computer can change, have objects there and not there. And basically the bottom line is that when you're doing a task, every little fixation of the eyes is picking up a very, very specific piece of information you need. And we can test this by having the information there or not there. And so this is kind of a couple of examples to give you the basic design of the lab. We want to know how you organize the intellectual prosecution of tasks, and how you get information in the time course of using it. And what we found out is you get very specific information just seconds to a half second before you're about to use it. And so that basically summarizes our basic enterprise.